So I was checking out this. It was on a auto shop on the way home, and so I thought I would check out this Transcend Explorer travel trailer. It looks like Maeve is okay with it. It's got a real nice, what did you say that is, a queen, huh? I think it's like a short queen, but for us, we're not long, so. And mirrors, your own little table on each side, and then storage and a fan, and crazy counter space. And then you got the door that just stays open when you open it. Just stays in place. A usable sink, 3-burner stove. Counter space just keeps going. Then you've got this oven, microwave, big refrigerator and a freezer. But crazily enough, the bathroom actually works for my size body. It is not porcelain. Maybe we get that changed out, but elbow space is like usable. You don't have to have the door open, you know. Can't touch there. And then shower. Real nice. You know, we're shorter people, so this is like plenty of space for us. Going this way, I think it's a little small. Got all those self-cleaning shower curtain things. So probably you shower this way. Like you take the wand off and do one of these jammies. But this is real nice. Plenty of, like, you got a mirror, plenty of storage for your towels and whatnot. This is all just very, very nice. And then you got this table here that can go inside or outside. Theater seating. And it's super comfortable. Looks like it kicks back underneath. Yeah, so just sit here. Here's your view. Oh yeah, it kicks back. But pull one of these buttons here. The middle kicks back at least. So that happens. And then there's your TV, and that swings around. You got AC. Well, check out outside. You comfortable? You're getting cozy. You've been practicing. And then look at this. The wind doesn't blow it. Like whatever you push it to, it just stops. Big, hefty steps that aren't like shaking. This is the middle kitchen, I guess. 200 MK. Armor underbelly package. Big awning. You can climb up it. It's got a ladder. You get the spare tire, and then what makes the inside so roomy is that you got this over here. But it's dual axle. It's got some storage, and of course we pull it with the truck, so we have more storage that way. Maybe you add another battery. Make sure you have 2 propane tanks. Automatic tongue jack. This could be us. This is definitely something that we would dig.